This is a 2008 Ford F-150 Super Crew XLT with 52,000 miles. Yes, 52,000 miles. Those of you that follow us, that's all we do is one owner, low mileage vehicles. Aftermarket premium wheels. Tires are in great shape. Toolbox that connect to the rails. Truck is in phenomenal condition. Dual exhaust sounds great. Truck is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Bed liner. Not a door ding on this truck. Very, very clean. Running boards. Carfax certified, absolutely no rust. Gray cloth interior is like new. Never smoked in, no rust. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. AM, FM, CD with MP3. 52,986 miles at the time of this video. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. As you can see, very, very clean truck, and with 52,000 miles, just an incredible condition. So this is a 2008 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew, 52,000 miles, in fabulous condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically.